Hi friends, it's Steven at Goodie Goodie making Christmas cupcakes. White chocolate cream cheese mousse filling with cranberry buttercream icing. Yum! Take a cupcake and cut a hole in the middle. I'm using a grapefruit knife, which works pretty well for this. And I'm cutting a pretty big hole because I'd like to get lots of mousse in there. Scooping it out with a spoon. And you can snack on those pieces later. Filling it up with mousse. Look at that. That is beautiful. And you can smooth it out with a spoon, but it's totally optional. Now adding our buttercream icing. Now this has jellied cranberry mixed in with it. It is delicious, and I'm using a 1M tip to do the piping. I could watch this all day long. It's hypnotic. Something it looks a bit like slow motion. And building it up in the center and ending with a point. Decorated it with pearl candies and cut it in half so you can see the filling on the inside. Don't forget to like and subscribe.